guys, I made it. I was so close of not making it, but I just checked into the hotel, and this is our trading time. So I'm very happy I made it. I didn't even relax yet. I was way like walking around. No, I didn't actually walk, but like I was outside traveling today the whole day, and I'm super tired, but still my first priority is to come into the stream and say hi to you all. And but I'm not going to make that long today because I'm super tired. And anyone sees that giant teddy bear next to me? He's so big. I don't even how they got him with me in the airport. Like it was actually a lot of work bringing him with me. His name is Chewy, by the way, and he's super cute. He was so heavy, and it he constantly slipped out of my hand, and I had two full baggages. It was really hard, but I'm happy he made it to be here with me because he's super comfortable. So in the plane, I just like had it on my lap, and I just had my head on it, and I slept on it, on him. It was super comfortable. All right, I didn't even do any analysis yet. I did not prepare at all. So I'm going to do it with you guys now from the scratch. LFG. Okay. Also, hi to everybody who's texting in the chat soon. I'm super tired. I hope I don't forget. But I'm happy for every single person to come here. So, and I hope for the people who are in Singapore right now, I hope really you're enjoying Singapore. And okay, let me delete everything first. It's always important to make an analysis on a fresh chart. What the heck is this? Oh my god, what did I do? Okay, let me delete that. Let's look at the daily first. What does the daily do? By the way, this is the last day of September, I think. Trading in September was so annoying. I'm really looking forward for the next month and see what it will be like to trade with. This is so far away, I see almost nothing. Okay. 1, 2, 3 touch points. Let's see. So we could go down from here and touch the trend line. But I said that yesterday also. So this is the daily chart. So it's going. It could take a lot of time. Let's go into the 4 minutes. 4 hours. I'm so sorry. I'm going to sleep after this. But still, I'm consistent. I'm super tired. I was traveling all day, and the first thing I did after checking into the hotel was opening the stream, and I'm super proud of myself. The Tima from the past would be like, "Whoa, you did not do that. I'm proud of you." Okay. Um, Even on the 4 hour, the we are coming closer to the trend line, and also this is a slight downtrend, so we could search for any short entry in this area. Just at the moment, I tend to trade on higher time frames because we have so many fake outs at the moment. Um, every movement goes into the direction that I say, but still I get stopped out so many times. The market makers are having fun this month. They're like, let's go wild. Okay. So the best month of this year trading was the first 3 months. January, February, March. They were like super strong. Okay. Let me set different. Okay. Right. Let's go to 1 hour. Okay, on the 1 hour time frame, we are so far away from this trend line. Do you see? But still, that was a consolidation. Okay, okay. I think we can draw a trend line here. Looking good. Okay, we might touch this trend line before we go lower, so okay. Time frame, we're right now in an uptrend. Now we gotta see what trends we're respecting. Upsala. Okay. From there, I would say let's wait and see what trend line we touch first. So if you touch this trend line, I might go. Wait, let me check. Let me use my brain and think a little bit. Yes, on a 3 minute, it definitely tells me that we should wait with making a decision. As you can see nothing clear. Well, here is a strong resistance zone that turned into a support zone. I consider that an important key level. Look, here this area was a resistance and here it turned into support. Now let's see if we hold the support and respect it, or if we break through and hold this support. I'm not making any decision yet. I'm making my decision when it's more clear. Those where you look at the chart and you're like 1,000,000% sure that a specific movement is going to happen. And I told myself, I'm only trading this for now, even if it means that I'm not placing a trade for a week. Yeah. Okay, guys. Actually, by the way, I am trading with the funded account here. So I gotta connect. I didn't even connect my broker, but I'm also not trading right now. So not the. And wait, it says my connection is lost. Okay, so I'm trading right now with $50,000 that are not mine. I'm trading with the company's money. It's called a funded account. So a company borrows you money, and you can trade with that money. And after you made $25,000 in profits, after this, you have to profit share with the company. You keep 90%, and the company keeps 10% for borrowing you that money. And I think that's super fair. So if you want to trade with $50,000 or somebody else, you can scan the QR code in the stream, and you can get your own account. It's very, very affordable. So you just pay a little fee, like a very little fee, in order to get access to the $50,000 trading account. And from there, any profit that you make, you can keep it. The first $25,000 that you make are 100% yours, and after you made $25,000, you gotta keep 90% and 10% goes to the company. It's super easy and super simple. If you have questions, let me know. And I also have a question. I just checked into this hotel and I just realized they have no water, so I gotta order some water soon. I think I didn't drink water all day. Anyways, I'm going to order some water soon. Let's see what the chat does after this. Oh, I see some people wrote in the chat. Let's go from up to down. Dinero says one of the best traders in the space. Are you for real? That is such a nice thing to say. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Well, I wouldn't say I'm one of the best traders in the space, but I really, really appreciate when you guys say stuff like this, because it makes me blush all the time. A few of you keep saying that, and I love you for that. It makes my day anytime I read this kind of stuff. And Bubakar, hello to Morocco. I'm from Lebanon, by the way, so we could speak Arabic. What's up, Arabian brother? Okay. What else? What else? Louis! Louis! What's up? I remember you. I met you in the arena. You were listening to crazy music all the time. And I spoke on one of your stages, and I had like a lot of techno in the background. And you were like, "Oh, what the fuck? Why she's listening to music? Why she's listening to music in our space?" Like it was a very funny conversation. I still remember. But I haven't been really on arena after that. So maybe I come back. Actually, when I come back to the arena, I hope that you are going to have a stage, so I can go back there because it was very fun. It was one of the funniest stages on the arena that I have visited. I didn't visit that many, but it was the funniest that I visited. Love Squad. Oh, Miss Stacy, I was just thinking about you. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Miss Tima, what does she say? Why do you say it like that? Hello, Louie. Let me know when you have the next arena, okay? Or even better, tomorrow I'm streaming. No, I'm not streaming. I'm having a success talk space on X, and I expect you to come to say hi. Okay? Peace out. If you do, I'm coming to your next arena stage. And if you don't, I'm still coming because just let me know when they are. Just for me, no problem. Just for me, you're going to open a stage. Wow, that's amazing. All right. Let me know when, and I will enjoy it to the fullest. You guys are so sweet today. I'm in such a good mood today. I had a really great day. I woke up and I had some very nice breakfast. The sun was out. The weather was so good. I had a nice view. Then I went to the massage salon and I got a facial treatment and I got a massage and I was enjoying it so nice. And then after this, I got ready like in slow motion. I listened to music. I was enjoying. Then I left to the airport, and at the airport I had some really, really, really nice snacks. I had a cheese baguette and a tomato mozzarella croissant. It was so nice. And I had two large iced teas, peach iced teas, because they were making it fresh. It was one of the best iced teas I've ever drank. And I had a chocolate donut. And yeah, I was chilling and listening to music, and then I arrived in a really, very, very nice hotel, and the check-in was so easy. My check-in into this country was so easy. Everything was just very smooth today. I hope everybody who is on the stream is going to have a very smooth and beautiful day as me. My day is ending, but I know for the most of you the day is just starting, so everybody have a wonderful start of the day. And I'm talking, and talking. The chat is not moving. Why is it not moving? I want some action. Actually, I want to listen to some music, but I realized that when I play some music, either you don't hear it or you hear the music and don't hear my voice. And I don't know how to fix this issue. So if you guys know how to play music while streaming, I actually fixed the issue. I just remember. The issue after this was that I'm also live streaming to YouTube, and that YouTube blocks my streams when I listen to music because of the Gemma. Because what is it called? Anyways, like I'm playing music that other people actually should pay for, and that's why it's banned. And but there is the option to play free music, but I don't know if it's good before I play it. So Stacy says, because how dare you ignore me? Stacy, when did I ignore you? I did never ignore you. What the heck's going on with you? When where did I ignore you? I just said hi immediately when I saw your message. Louis, you be there. Notice are on. Okay. So I gotta make tomorrow super interesting. Oh, I'm hungry now. It's morning. I can't talk about food. I am super hungry. So I just had breakfast today, like a very small breakfast. And then I had this very great croissant at the airport. It was so great. But it was, okay, now it's 10 for me. It was around 5. It was 5 hours ago. And I'm super hungry because my last food was 5 hours ago. Actually, I remember the hotel told me that they have like quiet rules at the night, and I shouldn't be loud. I realize I'm talking very loud right now. I'm Am I talking loud, or is it just so loud because this hotel has 2 floors? Like my hotel room has 2 floors, and I feel like everything I say is coming back in the double volume. I'm also very hungry. Okay, I gotta order something to eat after I finish the stream. I would order now, but my I'm recording with my phone, so I'm not recording. I'm using the camera of my phone. I should get myself a camera so I can order food while streaming. But then I have more things to carry. I'm traveling so much, and I hate having so too much extra stuff because I have to carry these things, and I hate carrying stuff. Okay, Stacy, why are you crying? What did I do? Oh my god. Hi, Flukes. I hope you're doing great. It's TOS. You can only play your own original music or songs passed by the artist to the platform. What is TOS? I heard uh I heard a different way to say that. Um yeah, so I should be making my own original music then. We can hear you fine. Okay, great. Yeah. Actually, fun fact, do you know that I used to sing and I had gigs on stages and I had a band and stuff? So, me making my own music is not even that far away. But I actually wouldn't do my own music. I just like to play and sing music that has been like compositing, like creating my own music because it's so hard and I really respect people who do that. I was really good in making melodies, like really good, but I was so bad in making lyrics. I was so bad in it. Oh my god, my lyrics were the worst. They were the worst. Against the terms of service, TOS of terms of service. Okay, thank you. Makes sense. Look, I'm making an educational trading stream, and somebody in the chat is teaching me something. This is giving and taking, guys, as its finest. Thank you. Oh wait, I can pin the messages that I'm answering to. So this was the message I was answering to. Okay, now I can unpin it. Actually, I think I do that from now. Whenever you guys say something, I just. But most of the people won't even see it. Okay, guys, we're coming down. Are we coming down to. Are we coming down to the box, or are we coming down to the trend line? Let's see what it does. Anyways, I think in this area, we could try buying. If we go below the trend line, I'm going to place a very, very short stop loss. Yeah. Wait, I gotta log in real quick. Unshare my screen for a second. Because otherwise everybody sees my password. We don't want that. Okay. Stop screen sharing just for a second. Oh. Actually, this teddy bear is giant, not my face. He's way. Why is he so big? His face is bigger than mine. Okay. Oh my god, I look like I'm cross-eyed right now because I'm looking at this. Why do I look like I'm cross-eyed? Okay. Is it just the light or I don't know. Anyways, just ignore my face. I'm going to hold my camera into my face now. Just a second. Where's the window for my broker? Here. Da 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 da. I'm logged in. Guys, we are logged in. Log TF in. Wait, let me change that. Better. Much better. Okay, now as soon as we touch any of those, we can start trading. Dewey says, you're welcome. All right. Thank you. I'm hungry and thirsty. Okay, guys, I don't know what I want to eat. You make any very nice food recommendations into the comments, okay? And I'm going to pick somebody with the best comment and order his stuff or her stuff. Yesterday, I was very hungry and I ordered food from the outside, and I got so distracted by a shop, like a bakery, that had the craziest cakes that I ended up ordering only cake and forgetting to order actual food. And I just like ate so much cake yesterday, but it was so good. They had a pistachio croissant with a chocolate sauce. Oh my god, it was so good, you can't imagine. And then I had fresh raspberry cheesecake. What else did I have? I had a chocolate walnut cookie with real big walnuts on top. What else did I have? And a tiramisu, a homemade tiramisu. It was perfect. I'm getting more and more hungry. Okay, we've been streaming now for 20 minutes. Is that enough? Can you let me go and order some food? Guys, by the way, if you want your own funded account, just oh my god, I didn't even pin it up. Wait. Where's the QR code? Oh, here's the QR code, guys. If you want a funded account, just scan this QR code. You can either scan right in the stream when you're on the laptop and you have your phone in your hand, or you make a screenshot, go to your camera roll and click on the QR code, and then you will click on the link that appears. Or no, it's just these two options, either this or that. Or you ask me for a link and I can send you a link. And if I'm ending the stream before we place any trade, I am going to send updates about the trade and signals, like enter signals, into the Tima Trades Telegram group. The channel is blend in here below, there. And yeah, I will be traveling a little bit less now the next days, so I will be more actively trading probably. But not tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm still super busy. And you guys know Sarah, Davy Darling. I'm going to meet her tomorrow, and we are going to have a very, 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 very nice dinner. And I'm sorry, I'm super excited. So tomorrow I'm not going to be online a lot, but after tomorrow, or after tomorrow, like in 1 or 2 days, I will be super available, and I will be probably trading a lot. Not trading a lot in terms of placing many orders, but in terms of watching this chart non-stop and finding very good entries and giving them to you if there is a good entry. Charts all day and a half, and I place no entry, so I'll keep you updated. For now, I just see I want to touch either this box or this trend line, or maybe we touch this area right here. Maybe we touch both at the same time, and here I would say we can buy, because we are here in an uptrend, right? And the uptrend has actually a lot of weight. Is it that? No, it's not the oh no, this is the one from the daily and 1 hour. Okay, I just thought it's the other one. It's not. Okay, let me see what has more weight right now. Um, I have no idea. So if we go long from here to here, we could make a couple of dollars, and then we can go short as soon as we touch this trend line and make a little bit more. I can't really say what trend line has more weight. Oh, yeah, I do. This one has more weight. Yeah. Yep. This trend line has more weight. So we could also, okay, guys, we could also, if we want to trade a bigger movement, we ignore this trend line here. We wait until we touch this trend line again, and then we go short. Or let's just wait for a breakout. We see this trend line, let's wait for a breakout and then see further. I like to trade as simple as possible. So when I was beginning with trading, I was trading with so many indicators and helpers, but I realized the more simple, the more easy. So actually indicators, they can also they can also show you the wrong way, because an indicator is just an indicator. It's just help, and not a fixed direction. It's not a navigation. It's just help. Does that make sense? um like, it's not commanding you a signal, it's just helping you to find the signal. And so many people use indicators as guarantees, but don't do that. Sometimes I still use indicators just for help, for clarification, but I could actually show you. Okay, let me show you an indicator that I also used a lot. The relative strength index, short RSI, shows you, for example, when we are oversold or overbought. So usually this is the 70 point line, and this is the 30, right? And everything that is under 30 tells you that the market is oversold, and that uh, buyers could step in soon, and anything above 70 shows you that we are overbought and sellers could step in soon. So, and when you see, for example, when you're trading with Bollinger Bands and the RSI, and you're breaking out of the Bollinger Bands, for example, and the RSI is oversold or overbought, you know that you could go into this direction. But the thing is, you get a strong move up or down, you still could get the exact same signal, but it just doesn't turn, and then that's when many people lose a lot of money, because also need to read charts, candles, and market behavior in order to use those things correctly. So, but I could actually, like, let's say the trend line goes, the candles go down, we touch the trend line, and on the RSI we touch the oversold area, right? This could be an indicator that we could all just buy and then touch this trend line as the next TP, for example. This is how we could use it. Actually, I let it on so we can see how it behaves. Like, oh, the 1 hour chart is so beautiful, it looks so clean. Maybe let's stay on there and see what happens. What do we do? Hey Mo, what's up? Hope you're having a good day. Aria says, after your talk, I want to eat something. I also want to eat something so badly. After the stream, this is the next thing I'm going to do. I'm immediately ordering food. Sorry, I miss you. You missed my streams? I'm streaming literally every day. The last time I was online was yesterday. Maybe you are missing the streams. Maybe you're not coming. You just know I'm here every single day, so you don't have to miss the online streams. Fluke says it's your day, team. I guess it absolutely is. I hope it's everybody's day. I really wish sometimes that every day could be very beautiful, but if we had only beautiful days, they wouldn't be beautiful anymore. So we need days that are not good in order to realize the good days. So I'm also grateful for the days that are less good because they show us the good days. Okay, it doesn't do a lot. I'm so hungry, it feels like my stomach is eating itself. Why am I even so hungry? I just ate at the airport. I even ate so much. I was sitting there for 2 hours just eating. Okay, I was eating very slow, but still. When I entered the plane, I was super full and thankful. Bitcoin is so slow today. Actually, the last 2 weeks, I felt like Bitcoin is super slow. Time before that, it had more action. I had some really great entries. Okay, you know what I do? I draw the Fibonacci and see if we can find any good entries. So this is an uptrend, a slight uptrend right now. Let me see. The first thing we do is buying. So oh, guys, this area was the golden pocket, what I see from the Fibonacci. So it's a very typical retracement zone. It's very obvious that we touched this area and then continue to go up. It was actually very obvious. Now we gotta wait for the next move to find another entry. Maybe if we come down to the 50%, we can buy again. But if we go below. Actually, wait, I see a gap here. We could even come down to this area before we go higher. We could make a fake out until here and then continue to go higher. Fluke says sell it. You gotta find a good entry. You can't just buy and sell. Sell it, send it, buy it. Everybody's giving so quick trading advice. Mm. Okay, guys, that's it. We've been streaming for more than 20 minutes now. We've been streaming for more than 30 minutes. Um, if you don't want me to die right now on this place, I'm going to leave now and end the stream. Thank you so much for coming, and I'm going to see you tomorrow on Success Talk. I love you all so much. Bye bye.